Hey guys, welcome back to A to Z Review Box. Do you prefer drinking warm water in the winter but hate boiling it on stove? Getting annoyed by daily routine of filling water bottle from the purifier and then cooling them in the refrigerator? No need to worry about this hereafter. Yes, we are going to talk about the list of best hot and cold water purifiers in India. You want to purchase any of the listed products? Please check the link given in the description. High-tech fusion water purifier. Child lock safety feature. Child safety is protected so the entire family can use it worry-free. Purification system. Pre-sediment. The foremost unit of an elaborate water purification system. The filter separates water from big parcel of size 5 micron such as rust, mud, dirt and the impurities. Sediment. Sediment is second stage of water purification mechanism. The filter is designed to eliminate suspended solids sized around 10 microns. A sediment filter essentially functions like a net that traps unwanted, unseen contaminants as water flows. CTO filter is third level in comprehensive water purification system. It removes contaminants that form chemical bonds with carbon such as chlorine and olive organic compounds and other harmfulness. Puts an end to the foul odor and unpleasant taste of the water. RO membrane filtration. RO filter is able to remove over 0.0001 micron impurities such as heavy metallic substance, ionized substance, microorganisms, salt, ions and pathogens. Post-carbon removes chlorine and odors to improve the quality of your drinking water. And it having a cooling heating on off switch. Cuckoo Fusion water purifier. Cuckoo's RO filter comes with special material that removes up to 1 by 10 lakh size of the hair. It can also remove ionic substance, heavy metals, microorganisms, bacteria and virus installation condition under TDS 2000 is recommended. Hot and cold cuckoo's temperature that makes water tasty. The cleanliness of water filtration process and tank has been increased by making the water tank with stainless steel. Tank water speed being filled in every 30 minutes. Water is filled 5.2 liter in a stainless steel tank again rather than drinking stored water in large tank capacity for long time. Drinking fresh water that fulfilled on real-time basis. Carbon filter. Coconut-based natural carbon filter made from coconut fruit that gives distinctive, delicious and natural freshwater taste. Obtained carbon by crushing and heating the coconut shell. Cuckoo's exclusively patented natural 2.0 filter not only removes harmful substance but also provide mineral to the water at same time, which makes water taste plentiful. Digital sterilization. It is a natural way of electrolysis sterilization without chemical substance. only uses natural oxygen, hydrogen, chlorine components in water and ensures complete sterilization inside of every single water bath, bucket and tank. Filter plus filter tubing change. The water purifier filter is an important fact in determining water quality. However, filter tubing that every single water passes between filter and filter is much more important factor in determining superior water quality. Unlike other brands, Cuckoo carefully manages both filter plus filter tubing to provide you fresh drinking water. Blackout available with low energy consumption. With Cuckoo's water purifier, drinking water is always available for you even when you don't have a power supply at your home. Be Pure 4G water purifier. Switches for hot and cold water functions. Just turn on the switch of hot water or cold water which you need as per requirement. Electricity for those functions is only consumed when they are switched on. Smart LED functions. The full indicator blinks when the tank gets full. Indicates purification in the process. Indicates hot water being dispensed. Indicates any troubleshooting required for filter to be changed or any changes in the settings. Provision for room temperature purified is made when there is no electricity and water inside the storage tank is to be used. %100% stainless steel UV chamber. The UV chamber is made of stainless steel 304 as well in comparison with aluminum which is provided by other brands. Storage capacity purified water is 7 liter, hot water 1 liter and cold water is 1 liter. LGWH D71RB 4RP water purifier. One touch hot, cold and normal with LG water purifier, you can enjoy the best of both worlds. All thanks to the unique one touch hot and cold function. You can get cold water at minimum 5 degrees centigrade and hot water at maximum 90 degrees centigrade instantly. So, any party or get together, you can enjoy cocktail, smoothie, tea, coffee, plain punch all at the touch of the button. True RO filtration, which means pure and healthy water without impure water mixing. It has a dual protection stainless steel tank. And digital sterilizing care. Capacity is 7.3 liters of storage. Blue Star Stella Water Purifier. Protection from accidental burns with child lock function that can be activated in heating mode. Hot, cold and ambient pure water. The convenience of hot, cold and room temperature water at the touch of the button dispenses hot water up to 85 degrees Celsius and cold water as low as 5 degrees Celsius. Double layered RO UV protection to ensure that your drink is absolutely safe without any compromises. RO removes iron, suspended particles, microorganisms and dissolved impurities, while UV deactivates microorganisms such as bacteria, cysts and virus. 8.2 liters large tank capacity, which comprises 4.2 liters of room temperature water, 3.4 liters of cold water, 0.6 liters of hot water. Ultra high TDS removal up to 96%, so that despite high levels of dissolved impurities in the input water, the water you drink is safe and pure. Convenient operation with an electronic dispensing button replacing the manual tap. Separate hot water bucket in order to provide safety while dispensing hot water in conjunction with child lock function. Touch sensors for quick and easy selection between hot, cold, ambient temperature options. Superfine sediment filter, removal of even the finest of sand, dust and other suspended particles, made possible with 5 micron sediment filter. A.O. Smith Z8 Green Water Purifier. It has a warranty 1 year comprehensively. It using 8 stage of purification technology, which is pre-filter, sediment filter, carbon block, advanced recovery technology, patent side stream RO membrane, mineralizer technology, Z8 ZX double protection dual filter plus SCMT. Mineralizer technology adds essential minerals like calcium, magnesium back into the water. This ensures that the water tastes fresh and natural and has a balanced pH, an essential requirement for drinking water. Advanced recovery technology recovers 2x more water when it runs through the purifier, ensuring minimal water wastage. Silver charged membrane technology is an additional stage of purification to prevent any potential secondary microbial organisms post RO purifier. Double protection ensures purified and healthy water. Night assistance glow effect guides you to your water purifier at night and makes your kitchen looks good. Advanced alert is a handy system that lets you know if RO membrane or other filters need changing. Here we have come up with overall ratings for best hot and cold water purifiers in India. A.O. Smith purifier is best overall. Blue Star Stella is best in selling. LG is the best in budget. Be Pure 4G is the best runner-up. Cuckoo is best moving. High Tech is best to consider. Conclusion part. Frankly, hot and cold water purifiers are expensive and always need the right amount of investment. Sometimes your budget might be constrained for you, so you can go option for regular water purifier. However, if budget is not an issue, there is no harm in purchasing the best hot and cold water purifiers in India.